Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off send read receipts in messages on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on messages. Next, go down and then tap on send read receipts. So tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on send read receipts. When this is on, people are notified when you have read their messages. This enables read receipts for all conversations. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.